if you have bought real estate as an investment.
In a span of 4.5 years, that is unprecedented.
Homes became more expensive. But here's the twist.
1994, the government of Karnataka and Singapore-based company made a decision that most people thought was absolutely insane. They were going to build world-class tech park in Bangalore, not in the heart of the city, not near MG Road, in the middle of farmland, dusty roads, coconut trees, a sleepy settlement called Whitefield, 18 kilometers away from the civilization. Engineers laughed. Investors said no, but they still built it. ITPL, International Tech Park of Bangalore. Within 10 years, Whitefield went from farmland to the most important tech corridor of South India. The people who bought real estate in 1995, 1996, or even 1997, when everyone was still laughing, they made 10x, 12x returns. Trust me, they didn't get lucky. They understood one pattern, one rule. And right now the exact same pattern is unfolding again in 2026. Except this time, it's not one tech park. It's 11 tech parks what coming into the East Bangalore. Google, Airbus, Nvidia. Hi, I am Sanjay Kothari and I consult at Value Per Square Feet. And what I'm about to show you is the single most important real estate story in India right now. Let's go. Most people think real estate is about location. Trust me, it's wrong. About the developer, the amenities, the view, the balcony, all is wrong. Real estate is about one thing only, and it's a people. Where people go, demand follow. Where demand goes, prices follow. And why people will go to a place? People will follow jobs. Let's take one example, Gurgaon in 2000. Absolute wasteland near to Delhi. Then Cyber City came, 4x returns in 8 years. Hyderabad in 2003, absolute farmland. Then Microsoft, Google came, people made almost 5x returns. Pune, Hinjewadi, 2005, same story and the same outcome. What is happening in Whitefield right now will make all three looks smaller. Whitefield in 2026 is already one of the India's most important tech corridors. ITPL is here, the metro is here, the infrastructure is real. What you observe Whitefield in 2026, trust me, it's gonna change from here. In the next 24 to 36 months, from Whitefield to Mahadevpura to Varthur Road to Kadgudi to Hope Farm, 11 tech parks are coming in 15-kilometer stretch. Combined workforce will be almost 2 lakh professional. 2 lakh people going to migrate, 2 lakh people going to work in this tech park. When you have 2 lakh people moving to a 10-kilometer geography for the jobs, they will look forward for the rental, resale, correct? That's where you will see the demand of the housing will grow. Let me educate you on all the tech parks what coming in this vicinity. Tech park number 1, Prestige Tech Forest, Varthur Lake Road, and it's going to accommodate 25,000 to 30,000 employees. Tech Park number 2 and 3 is a Prestige Tech Zone Brookfield, which going to accommodate 7,000 to 8,000 employees. Prestige Tech Habitat at Gunjur going to accommodate 6,000 to 7,000 employees. 3 tech parks from one group as a Prestige, 40,000 employment opportunity. Tech Park number 4, this one changed everything and it's from a big name, Google. Alphabet has leased an entire campus at Alembic City, Kadgudi, 24 lakh square foot area. Google's single largest campus in Bangalore, going to accommodate 20,000 to 25,000 employees in one go. Now, think about the profile of a Google employee. The salary, the lifestyle, the kind of home they will look for. The people will not compromise, and they are coming right here in the Whitefield. Tech Park number 5 is a Titanium Tech Park, ITPL Main Road. Airbus has already leased 10-year lease. 8 lakh square feet of a space, 8,000 to 10,000 aerospace engineers, deep tech professionals are coming in this location. Tech Park number 6, 7 and 8 is a Brigade Tech Garden, Brigade Padmani Tech Valley, Brigade Elysium. Combined together in Brigade Tech profile, you'll have 47,000 to 52,000 employees with a one developer on this corridor. Tech Park number 9, Samudra Capital Tower, Hope Farm Junction, 13 lakh square feet, 13,000 to 15,000 employee capacity, next to the Kadgudi metro station. Tech Park number 10 is Nvidia, the world's most valuable semiconductor company, the company powering the entire AI revolution. Their largest office space, right here in Mahadevpura. AI engineers, chip designer, the highest paid tech professional in the world right now. The last tech park, which will be operational near to the Hope Farm, comes from the Sattva Group, and it's going to accommodate 5,000 employees. Now, as a viewer, you have to add all this: 11 tech parks, 1 corridor. In 15-kilometer stretch, you have job opportunity of 2 lakh professional. And now the most important question: where our people are going to live? Trust me, this is where most real estate content stops. They show you demand, they hype the location. I want to go one level deeper. The real story is not just a demand. The real story is supply. As on today, Whitefield does not have enough quality inventory to absorb 2 lakh new residents. The good gated communities are already sold out, which is near to the main road, which are near to the metros, are already gone. Here is what happened every time a major employment corridor mature. First, rental spike within 5 kilometers to the tech park, then resale price follow, then new launches get absorbed in a week, not even a month. We have seen 3 times Gurgaon 4x to 5x returns in 8 years, Hyderabad almost 6x returns in 7 to 8 years, Pune, the same is the story. And Whitefield as on today is in same situation, because by the time 2 lakh professionals are looking for the homes, already you have a demand and supply gap in the market. And ask a question to yourself: how many properties are there where you have 2 lakh housing available as on today? And that's where supply and demand gaps create. And this is a window you should enter right now. I started value per square feet with one belief: that the right real estate decision at right time can genuinely change a family financial for future. Not overnight, not get rich quickly. The slow compounding, build real estate wealth with the logic, with the numbers. Right now, everything point at this corridor. The jobs, the companies, the metro, the supply gap, every single variable is aligned. And if you are confused, you want to know which project makes sense for your situation, you need a personalized consultation, book an appointment along with us.